ko po na nandito ako sa entablado para ipakita sa inyo ang pinakamasarap at pinakapaborito na almusal sa Pilipinas. But before that, I'd like to give thanks to our dearest ambassador, Ma'am Joy, and to the officers and to all of you, the teachers who have forsaken their holidays just to be with you. 40 teachers had given up their holiday just to be with you this week. So children, pasalamat tayo sa kanila. Palakpakan muna natin ang ating mga guro. O, ayan. Okay, ako po si Anyati na gustong-gusto ko pong nagluluto. Araw-araw nagluluto ako. Okay? Breakfast in the Philippines is very important. So, who ate breakfast this morning? Sino ang kumain ng breakfast? Nag-breakfast na kayo? Only very few. Anong breakfast ninyo sa bahay? Nagpansit? Kanin, nasi goreng? Oatmeal. Okay. So ngayon, okay. Pag-usapan muna natin kung ano yung champurado. Okay? Ang champurado, originally, is a Mexican chocolate drink. Let's proceed now. Kailangan natin ang glutinous rice sa champurado. Ano yon? Glutinous rice? It's pulot, baras pulot in Malay, malagkit sa Tagalog, in Filipino, malagkit, sa Bisaya, pilit. Okay? Now, it's white glutinous rice. Ang kailangan lang natin ay isang cup. For now, nagluto kami ng napakaraming champurado para sa inyo. Napakalaking kaldero. 8 kaldero na super laki. Okay? Isang gabi, buong gabi na pinagluto ni Maricor at ni Sandy. Para sa inyo lahat. Pero ngayon, nagpakulo na ako ng tubig. Ang tubig na kailangan sa isang cup of glutinous rice is 15 cups of water. 15 cups of water is more or less 1.5 to 2 liters of water, okay? So, 2 ganito. 1 cup of water. Kaya nga, napakarami nang magawa sa isang cup. Kaya tawag nila yan, tubong lugaw. Okay? Pag nagnenegosyo ka, tubong lugaw yan. Ibig sabihin, marami ang profit. Alright. So, nagpakulo na ako dito ng hinugasan ko na to. Dapat hugasan, ha? Kung sa Bisaya, kilisan. Linisin, hugasan. Chuchikan. Okay? In Malay. In English, rinse. Rinse the sticky rice. Okay? And put it in the boiling water. Gaano katagal? 1 oras. 1 hour? Can you wait for 1 hour? No. Okay. So, ibuboil natin yan. Ngayon, dagdagan natin ng 1/2 cup of brown sugar. Okay. So, dagdagan natin yan. Lagay na natin yan. Kunyari, kumulo na ng kumulo yan, di ba? After 30 minutes, kumulo na. Dagdagan ko ngayon ng 1/2 cup of brown sugar. Gula mera or white sugar or anything or palm sugar will also do. Basta kung ano lang ang nasa pantry nyo, pwede na yon. Hindi kamo ako istrikto. Okay? Now, dadagdagan ko na ngayon yan ng tsokolate. You can use cocoa powder or you can use yung pinaka-original na recipe natin, ang tablia. Okay? Yung tablia is very hard, concentrated chocolate. Ito ay tanging Pilipino lamang. This is originally a Filipino chocolate, tablea. Okay? Pero ngayon, di ba, marami ng mga kung ano-anong klaseng chocolate. Pwede rin yun. Halimbawa, kung anong mga brand. Pero gamitin natin ang sariling atin. Dahil ngayon ay pagdiriwang ng sariling atin. So ilalagay natin ito. With 1 cup, we can put this 4 of this, which is more or less 100 grams of tablea. So ilagay ko yan dyan, ha? Hindi na kailangan niyang i-dilute, basta pakuluan na lang yan. Hintayin nyo na lang. In the meantime, kung sa bahay, habang naghihintay na pakuluan, maghugas ng pinggan, okay? Hindi yung nakatayo. Because it will not boil pag tinitingnan mo yan. Okay? Huwag lang kalimutan. Okay? This is how you manage the kitchen. Alright. It's going to boil. We're waiting for 5-10 minutes and it will be something like that. Okay. Kunyari, tapos na. Ha? 4 chocolate tablets, 100 grams ang weight. May mga tablea na maliliit, may mga tablea na malalaki. So if you are not sure, it's okay. But the more chocolate you have, the better is the taste. Excited na ba? Na matikman? Oh, wow, ang galing. Pero, okay. Kunyari, ito na yon. Ito na, nalugaw na. Tapos na. Okay. So, sa ibang version ng ating na champurado, instead na gagamit tayo ng tablea, we can put cocoa powder, no?
So right now po, you're using
I'm using cocoa powder to mix this one para meron silang version. Pero, ang ginawa ko sa original na ginagawa kong para sa inyo ngayon, special yun. Dahil, nilagyan ko ng cocoa powder, nilagyan ko ng tablea, nilagyan ko ng chocolate. 3 ang nilagay ko para mas masarap. Okay? And then, nilagyan ko ng maraming condensed milk. Kita natin, they will be so excited and hyper dahil full of sugar.
Look at that. Look at those chocolates.
The chocolate, I'm going to just like remove the lump and I'll pour it in. Ayan, tsokolate na. Okay na. Matamis na yan. Ayan. Okay? Okay. So when we serve this, marami tayong version. Originally, ang version ng champurado natin ay kinakain natin with tuyo, with dried fish. But, I'm giving you the healthiest version with this. We will serve it with fruits. Okay? Yan. So, we can serve it with oranges or grapefruit or pear, okay? And it's also very good with bananas. Bananas, and we can do it with chia seeds. We can also do it with nuts, okay? And of course, we can add on milk if we want it to be sweeter. So what will I do first? Should I do strawberry and blueberry? Okay. I have strawberry here. I'm going to slice this into smaller cut. All right. I'm going to decorate it. And then I'm going to put the blueberries. Ayan, nahulog. Okay. Diba ang bilis? Okay. Para ito kay Madam Ambassador dahil sabi ko nga, she is on a diet. Voila! And we will add more of the chia seeds. Social, di ba? Healthy. Ayan. Ganda na. What else can I put? Nuts. I will have almond and pumpkin. Wow! Yan.
Alright.
Ito na, hawakan na dahil gutom na sila. I don't want them to wait. Okay, next, I'm going to put oranges para meron tayong variety sa ating presentation. Okay, it's so easy lang to slice, oh. I love oranges and chocolate all together. In fact, when I bake this chocolate clafouti, I put oranges, the skin, I grate them and put them in my chocolate clafouti. Because the orange and the chocolate mixed together is so yummy and it's very healthy. Have you tried that? Oranges and chocolate? It's so good. Okay, and more blueberry. 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 Okay, lagyan din natin ng ng mga nuts for you, Ma'am Bing. And, of course, we will have strawberry para may pula. All right. So, this is it. And this is already our champurrado. Okay, mga kids? O, bahala na. Kakain na, ha?
Maraming salamat po, Miss Agnati. Ready na ba kayo na
Pasalamatan po natin. Before you eat, children, I'd like you also to acknowledge ang mga kasambahay ko dahil sila po ang talagang nagluluto ng marami para sa inyo. Sandy and Maricor, where are you? Maraming salamat po. Okay. Ito na yung mga bata, pakakainin na namin kasi nagluto na kami kagabi. So, masayang-masaya. And I'm just so happy to be able to be a part of this language and cultural program for the children in Brunei. Yes. Yeah. Sige, kumain na. Oo. Okay. Meet Yola. She is our president of the Filipino Teacher Association of Filipino Teachers in Brunei.
And of course, maraming salamat sa kanila. Napakahusay na invited chef for today.
Thank you
po, ma'am. Maraming salamat po.
Okay. Kumain na. Pakainin na sila. Ayan. O sige, tikman muna. O sige, yan. Oo. Oo. Oh, mga viewers. Naka-live ako ha. Naka-live ako. This is our beloved ambassador who is always joyful, Ma'am Joy Tirol Ignacio. Yeah. And this is Ma'am Bing, our Consul General. And of course, Yula, the president of the Association of Filipino Teachers. Yan. Bon appetit! Please. Okay, sige. Okay. Goodbye! And thanks for joining us. Till next time, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, At Home with Anyati, and on my Facebook, At Home with Anyati.